LifeScience panel began by declaring that these are very difficult times in the biotechnology industry. Large companies see declining productivity in research and development, and small companies are plagued by a lack of needed venture capital. Dr. F. Nicholas Franano said that because of these challenges, it's important to cultivate an atmosphere that welcomes innovation and grants permission for creative people to work in creative ways.
Innovation comes from innovators, and as business leaders, we have to remember that. You can't get innovation without innovators, and innovators are a particular flavor of people.
Dr. Franano went on to say that working in large company environments can prove a challenge for some people. Dr. Stella, an inventor and founder of biotech companies, prefers working with small ventures.
The small innovative companies in the pharmaceutical biotech industry, if they can get over that critical step, that first product, etc., are so much more fun for me to work with.
Dr. Getman countered that oftentimes it requires a large team to get a new product to market, and that innovation occurs in large companies by bringing people with different disciplines together at the same table.
And a typical example would be you bring a chemist and a biologist together who may have very different expertise and very different backgrounds, and they start talking about the problem they're trying to solve, and something occurs to the other one that, gee, I didn't know about that. And something good happens there, and it's creating an environment where that happens in real time, where people can put things on the table. The good things will tend to come to the top.
Dr. Getman also expressed concern that, due in part to a shift in global economies, the United States is struggling to attract new talent.
And in the past, many people would come from, say, India or China, and they'd come to the U.S., get their doctorate training here, and they wouldn't go back because those economies really didn't have opportunities for them. Now they do. And because of some of our policy decisions now, those people aren't even coming to the U.S. So we're missing a whole influx of new talent into the U.S.
In an effort to address this issue, the state of Missouri has developed numerous programs to help entrepreneurs and small businesses attract and retain talent.
We need an atmosphere that is conducive to keeping entrepreneurial talent here. I think we need to have, as we do, programs in place that allow us to commercialize that technology and make sure that the resources are there that keep the state of Missouri competitive.